Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we have something truly special to dive into. The brand new 2025 Range Rover. A vehicle that defines luxury, innovation, and powerful performance, all wrapped into one iconic package. If you're a fan of prestige SUVs or just curious to know how Range Rover has evolved for 2025, stick around because you're going to love this detailed look. Starting from the moment you set your eyes on the 2025 Range Rover, it's clear that this isn't just a continuation of a legacy, it's a bold step forward. At the front, the new Range Rover carries its proud DNA with a fresh twist. The grille is now more sculpted and sits seamlessly between sleek, new digital LED headlights, which not only look futuristic, but also adapt intelligently to different driving conditions. The front bumper is refined with elegant air intakes that help improve aerodynamics, while maintaining that commanding road presence that Range Rover owners love. There's a refined minimalism here. Fewer lines, but every detail feels deliberate, emphasizing power and grace at the same time. Moving along the side, the 2025 Range Rover continues to show why it's a design icon. The flush door handles pop out only when needed, preserving a perfectly smooth surface that's both beautiful and aerodynamic. The proportions are exquisite. A long, clean shoulder line runs from the front to the back, emphasizing the SUV's size and strength. Without appearing bulky, new alloy wheel designs, available up to 23 inches, fill the arches perfectly and add an extra layer of presence to the side profile. The glass areas are cleaner, with a floating roof design that almost gives the SUV a lighter, more athletic feel despite its size. Coming around to the rear, you'll notice the most radical change yet. The 2025 Range Rover introduces an all-new taillight setup, with hidden until lit vertical LED strips that sit inside blacked-out panels. When illuminated, they give off a sharp, ultra-modern look, and when turned off, they disappear entirely into the rear design. The tailgate retains the traditional split-folding function, practical for luxury picnics or easy loading. Overall, the back view of the new Range Rover feels clean, imposing, and unmistakably modern, while keeping the essence that has made it a symbol of sophistication. Stepping inside is where the magic truly happens. The cabin of the 2025 Range Rover is nothing short of breathtaking. Everything you touch is covered in premium materials, whether it's soft semi-aniline leather, sustainable ultra fabrics, or beautifully finished woods and metals. The dashboard features a new floating 13.1-inch curved glass touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, paired with a crystal-clear 13.7-inch digital driver display. Even better, the new PVI Pro system is now faster and more intuitive, making daily interactions a joy. There's also Amazon Alexa voice control built right in, blending luxury with cutting-edge tech seamlessly. The seating deserves its own applause. With options for 5, 6, or 7 seats depending on the configuration, the new Range Rover can be either an executive lounge on wheels or a luxurious family SUV. The seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions for both front and rear. Passengers? Speaking of rear passengers, the available executive-class rear seating package transforms the back seats into first-class airline pods, complete with deployable tables, individual screens, and even a fridge. The sense of calm and isolation from the outside world is remarkable thanks to active noise cancellation integrated into the headrests. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers a variety of powertrains to suit different tastes. You can choose from powerful mild hybrid 6-cylinder engines, a ferocious V8 twin-turbo for those who crave performance, or the highly anticipated plug-in hybrid that can travel up to 60 miles on pure electric power alone. There's also a fully electric version set to arrive very soon. Regardless of which engine you pick, the drive is buttery smooth. The ride quality is elevated by the adaptive air suspension system, and the all-wheel steering makes this large SUV surprisingly agile. In tight spaces, off-road? No worries, this is still a Range Rover. With terrain response 2, adjustable ride height, and a wading depth of almost 35 inches, it's ready for anything, whether you're crossing a city or a river. Talking about the price, the 2025 Range Rover starts around $107,000 for the base SE model. But depending on the trim you choose, HSE, Autobiography, or the opulent SV model, and how crazy you get with options, it can easily stretch well beyond $200,000. Is it worth it? Well, if you're looking for a vehicle that blends craftsmanship, technology, performance, and genuine all-terrain capability, there are very few competitors that even come close to offering what the Range Rover does. If I were to make a suggestion, I'd say focus on which type of lifestyle you want to match with your Range Rover. The plug-in hybrid is excellent for city users looking for luxury with a conscience. The V8 is for those who want to feel the rush of a true performance SUV. And for ultimate comfort seekers, the SV trims turn this SUV into a rolling palace. Also, while options like the executive rear seat package or Meridian Signature sound system may add a hefty premium, they truly transform the experience into something unforgettable. And that brings us to the end of today's review. The 2025 Range Rover is not just an update. It's a complete reimagination of what a luxury SUV can be. It retains the rugged charm that made Range Rover a legend, but pairs it with a level of refinement and innovation that feels absolutely cutting edge. Whether you're looking for elegance, capability, or pure prestige, the 2025 Range Rover delivers it all in a way only a Range Rover can. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new Range Rover, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed car reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the new Range Rover. Is it the best luxury SUV for 2025? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.